Abantu bamintoka iga aba n'abaheshimiwa be county assembly ya Kisii amo n'abaheshimiwa be committee ya budget n'abachire gaiga imara ko bayarere twabwate a discussion yechibango chiri cyabe kitwa crusade chiri ko tuko chikoro kwanga chikesha
litangani ng'ake mbiamona sengencho ayo mugavana ito mheshimiwa Simba Arati asogotegerere birero by'abapasta na koirania orobotrolia which assembly
ikesha ntu abegete chibese ari kusiri bisano asengencho akaratu akaza public participation mapema abana inchi mbatebete nga asinaro konyoranga umuntu garo yo amora kinia konyoranga abegeta makondo butuko bogerere kenyoro igo bagateba ngambye bese beku na lia mangana yarabe aratangwa ake akini twategerera maoni kurwa se abapasta twategerera maoni kurwa saba na inchi twategerera maoni kurwa saba abantu bonse ba gusasima nande bagateba nga turigererie ngane eri ndatusko review mugavana asobongaini bwae agatume memorandum kulingana ne lichiko kune county government act article 24 gateba akairania chinga kisitaraera so gentekento akarigire to discuss and that ko inform aba kusibonsi pire ronga asamangana ritu abegete bangerie kanisa ntwa irusi bono iga ya rusigwe go mugavana mnago chiko sign iga go sign yebangeri ke rusi mari kusabanga county government muna chiko kolega asiga ndia gotegerera mananchi yabo maoni y'abananchi une county ya Busongo yategereire amaoni y'abananchi serikali nene yatuyanyasire sana samangana finance bill unawana moroche umuntu ndi bose yakoni chinchuku obekiro gago chikonyota bwa permit yagwa kani milioni yemo kuse fine yechi yemyaka ebere kuse yonse bonare kusabanga ne serikali ya nene erore gente county government ya korre yatagarra abana inchi ekeichi bange chinse irinda abana inchi bajare gutwara bolembe obugima bwa konge mbia mono sana
abarali njero mheshimiwa Vincent Abuga ondo mo MCA we ward ya Busere ritukoria rero ntagete ko irali bageri ngiraniri the budget committee egora numuske otashi kuyoro mo MCA we ward ya Munyerero motembi amona segenje ko consider ebiri eri yare goteba ngachikanisa chiakanira ontagete goteba ngari ritukoria rero amamangi abantu bali bagogete because as a Christian abontagete goteba nga ebango ase kanisa obumane mbolinga konyo ya tobereire emerime konguno nyase chiwodi tukuru kontagete goteba ngambia muno ase ngenjo mwakora yamaya tiganya sabaseni ande ngosaba ngaba Kristo mwa especially abe wodi yane bono soka murandiri ngana abantu baturika bia muno tiganya sabaseni
anche tiganyireli bageliga anche no mheshimiwa Jim Kenyanya umwe MCA we wodi ya Tabaka ainde the vice chair a committee budget igonta irogota ngambia monastery tukolia rero asengeche ya a committee ya consider nga evangelical nyo ya bikirwese chikanisi gwakana I think onyo tuanyole chinga chinkonsana no ese binyoro chiwodi stokoro igo tuajete toka consider muna our governor agenda akaligereria akayetuma back weje ese committee tukayeligereria tuayera tirara ese full house iba ya adopted igobono enta iragota banga mbiamono ase committee yane n'abajumbe kwa jumure sengenje ogwancherana kwa adopt dichike lyokorusie bango igobona abantu batigabaye gobosibole bokorandi kabisa abantu baonchoke yesache bwango abantu bayende gutima bia mono sana
njengo rugo Victor Mbaso yo no MCA kure wode kurkuriana gotoka wonchari lero iga tobera no mogo ekyagera gento twakorire se assembly yaito kwetere saba MCA baito bonsi twanyagire kurusia bangeria kwanyabekirwe eochachi kanisa chite bakora amasababo egentege kyaba governor gategerera na indu twategerera abantu baito be county ya Kisii yagera terende tukawaigwa na ndege tegi twakerusirie igabona chikanisa chito techitwale techitwale nafasi yo kuroborandia elinda abantu baito bonchoke muna egani yabarandi baitere igo nakero mu governor ito bia governor Simba Arati aso kwegwe birero by'abantu baito ba Kisii county se mangana ye bango na intulene muna ba MCA to mubwatsiri egente kitu wakerusiri bono chikanisa cheito ari free ko kora marandi ya muna kawaida bagakolire bya mona sana
incha samarita ngoro kwa udensha maroma riba nominated MCA and member ye budget ncheri anena gote governor yetu Simba Arati ngambia muno aso consider wa Kristo abana inchi bonse bono tiga abantu basoke barandiringana batwara stamiro Biamono.
Asante.
Biamono sana marietane Pastor Murwabe Peter. Nkurandi kansa gospel embassy eregeta chari nyanjo. Litangani ngake biamono sengencho ayo mugavano ito mheshimiwa Simba Arati asogotegerera ebirero bya bapasta na koirania orobotrolia which assembly nelia kabere ngakere abarai baita ba MCA ngambia mono aso ku understanding ekanisa is part of our society and we are a non-profit making organization. Igo abaheshimiwa baba MCA na barabona bashiriki baito na wayaje ko bako ngusana asintuko sasimama na barobwo ko chimotua lakini bono we are one society tikato move amo muna bantabamo chibango chinde bune chichitadi necessary kare chigo chigoetigwa tuamanyiwa na intu tuarwa basemi bweito igaba MCA baito mbya mono sana sogo etia linganelio okoli yakera inse bune tuababoretie na mugaba nambya mono asokorito mabaki ainda na maskanto tagete tomenya amo muna bantabamo mwakwana tweigwa na intu tuakwana mweigwa ndiwe birangere biane ase county assembly yaito na serikali ito ye county wechimotuki toko na wetie bindebi mwenyoranga ngamatole timoli numweka biri ende osumuraite ne bani abantu bakoni binte echiro baboli ne barabu barwa mahoni yabo ekia twensi tutagete county itesuke mutwe na ndi tumate kane county nero netagete na intusuke mutwe neto takerta maya igombu yamona soko iwe bikuru bito nogo totegerera nago chimotua anya togo chikomenya mabuya buna abantu abamo bune county yemo tikatoigwana na twarubirangara bito na enu mwaru bino toskamo serikali ne kanisa chikorega siamo serikali na bana inchi bakorega siamo mwarane kendengere kiarwe ko Nairobi ya kindiki that is kenege ndokera up no mogi komisana buna bana bajokora chinyangiri babago konywa na chibirto kona komenta abantu batobwatie kebande babekirwa mangana gete I mean there's a lot of insensitivity lakini to yakobodi na national government a wake up to reality. We are one in Kenya, we are one nation, therefore we must agree on any step we make together.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. With me here is the report on the Standing Committee of Budget and Appropriations on the Governor's Memorandum for refusal to sign into law the Kisii County Finance Bill 2023. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Kisii County Finance Bill 2023 was submitted to the County Assembly by the County Executive Committee member for Finance and tabled on the 22nd June 2023 into compliance with the Constitution of Kenya 2010, Section 142, Subsection 2 of the Public Finance Management Act of 2012, and the Kisii County Assembly Standing Order number 231 and 2. Mr. Speaker, sir, the common mandate of the County Assembly, as provided for in Article 185 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 and Section 21 of the County Government Act 2012, is to legislate. The Public Finance Management Act 2012 and the County Assembly Standing Order number 187, as provided for the creation of the County Committee of Budget and Appropriation. The committee has been mandated to discuss and review taxes, charges, and fees and make recommendations to the County Assembly provided for in Standing Order number 187, subsection 3E. Mr. Speaker, sir, the County Assembly on the 27th September 2023 considered and passed the Kisii County Finance Bill 2023. Consequently, the bill was presented for assent in accordance with the provisions of Section 24(1) of the County Government Act 2012 and Standing Order number 135, subsection 1, on the 11th October 2023. The committee membership, Mr. Speaker, sir, the committee membership are as shown on page 2 of the report. Review of the Governor's Memorandum in the Kisii County Finance Bill 2023. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Finance Bill 2023 was referred back for consideration by His Excellency the Governor in accordance with the County Government Act 2012, Section 24(2)B, and Kisii County Assembly Standing Order number 135(2)B. The committee once again held meetings which they critically analyzed issues raised in the memorandum. Public participation. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Committee of Budget and Appropriation Pursuant to Article 186, subsection 1B of the Constitution of Kenya, 2010 put an advertisement in the Nation newspaper of 31st August 2023 for public hearings and submissions of memoranda. The exercise was conducted in all sub-counties from 12th to 14th September 2023. The committee did not, however, specifically engage the religious groups since the exercise was scheduled for the sub-county headquarters and all citizens from diverse backgrounds were expected to be present or submit written memoranda. Amendment to the Kisii County Finance Bill 2023. The Committee of Budget and Appropriation reiterated that the Kisii County Finance Bill 2023 has proposed progressive strategies aimed at maintaining the revenue base, enhancing collection and administration to bridge budget deficits. However, it's also important to recognize the vital role played by the religious groups in the socio-economic development of the society. The committee perceives religion as entitled by Schedule 2, Clause 2.14 as two parts labeled as D, and hence made an amendment so that in the first D reading, mobile advertisement stroke 6 into bracket fees applicable across the county. The word crusade be removed to read mobile advertisement fees applicable across the county. The second D, reading permits for crusades be named E, and part E reading display of flags be renamed F. Recommendations. The committee resolved to amend the Kisii County Finance Bill 2023 by deleting Schedule 2, Clause 2.14E of the bill that proposed to introduce charges on Christian empowerments, stroke vigils into bracket caches, street preaching, and wedding parties. Mr. Speaker, sir, there was a concern on the finance bill that we passed in this house on the caches, they call the ornaments. Yes, ornaments, cache. It's for yes, the caches. Mr. Speaker, sir, there was an uproar in the county after there was a levy post of around 5,000 per week. So members of the clergy claimed that it was not fair to them, and a memorandum was brought to this house pursuant to the County Government Act, Section 24. And actually, it's good that I did, so that members can know it. A bill has been passed in this house. It takes 14 days for the Speaker to take it to the Governor, and then the Governor takes 14 days to consider whether to sign or return it back to the Assembly. So we're done with these 14 days, and then we consider this clause, and after hearing the comments from the members of the public, we decided to delete that clause. Mr. Speaker, sir, it's a progressive move that was done by this county assembly, because those people out there are our bosses, and we have to listen to them. And like the national government, which has been imposing taxes to our people, left, right, and center, because actually, as we speak today, the national government has also introduced another tax, which is called, if you are selling walnuts or coconuts, and you don't have a permit, you'll be charged 1 million or 2 years imprisonment or both. So I think it's not fair to our people, because you can see how people are struggling out here. The other day you had, there was another levy which was imposed for IDs. An ID initially was 100 shillings, it has now gone to 1,000 shillings. And even marriage certificate, Mr. Speaker, a marriage certificate has gone to 50,000. People like me who don't have marriage certificates, Mr. Speaker, we are worried, and my good friend called Vincent from Xero. Mr. Speaker, a marriage certificate doesn't mean you're not married. You can be married but not have that marriage certificate. So, Mr. Speaker, I ask the House to support this amendment so that it's deleted, and then the members of the clergy now can also celebrate. I ask my Vice Chair to second this motion.